Draw Learning. Today, we are going to draw a baby snake. While we learn Spanish, we draw one of the eyes and a nose. Now the mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said, boca. We draw the other eye. And now we draw the tail. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say snake in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the yellow color, which in Spanish is amarillo. Now let's go with the green color, which in Spanish is verde. Very good! Let's see if you know the answer. Snake in Spanish is serpiente. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.